Hey, what's up, guys? So, Poli Popo here, and check this out. Uh, I got a email the other day from YouTube saying that they were gonna close my account due to spam videos and blah 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 blah. But was it really YouTube? Man, this guy's been going around trying to hack people's accounts, and I haven't seen any videos on this. So if you're receiving an email like this one that I'm about to show you, uh, just ignore it, man, because there are content creators out there. I'm one of them, and your natural instinct is to just give your information. Like, dude, no, I work hard on my channel. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. Alright, guys, so let's get right into this here real quick. Alright, so I opened up my email, and it was this YouTube support, YT support YouTube, blah blah blah. I didn't pay any attention to this one. You get the email and it looks like this. First thing I noticed was this thing right here. It was a little bit squished down. I don't know, man. And then my background, I do have a degree in computer science and network administration. I don't use it to my advantage, but this is just ridiculous. It says, we received a complaint that there are many spam videos on your YouTube channel, but don't have to worry. We'll review your channel and blah blah blah. Send us your URL, copyright, yes or no, channel email address. Because YouTube doesn't know your real email address. Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? They send it to the wrong email address and channel password. So what happens when you send them this stuff? Your natural instinct is to hit reply and just send it. So, and that's exactly what I did. So let's see what happened. Because I'm not scared of this dude whatsoever. Actually, I wouldn't recommend sending your stuff. Don't send your stuff. I did it because I wanted to get his IP address, and I did. Whenever I got his IP address, let's see what they say. What is this? Yeah, I told him, yeah, I don't know. One says, it was just ridiculous, because then he sent me this one here, and it didn't even have the hyperlinks on it. Oh my gosh, it was ridiculous. Look at this one here. Email options. You can't even click them. So I told him that. I'm like, dude, if you're trying to do this, you know, you might want to take some notes, because this is not working. But yeah, guys, if you do get an email like this, just disregard it. So what I did, I Googled it just to see if anybody else had gone through any of this, and this is 7/16/19, 7/17/19, 2 days ago. Flagate your email program. It's just a scam, you know what I'm saying? So, and the reason I wanted to, let me fix this real quick. This looks like crap. Hey, 1 second. Jeez, man, I lost my little remote when I was skateboarding. I don't know where it's probably on the roof. But yeah, you get an email like that, disregard it, man. It's sick, man, that people are out there doing that, because what they're gonna do is go to your PayPal account. They're gonna get your Google password, and they got access to your bank info, every single thing that's on your phone. So I wouldn't recommend doing it at all. And these are heartless people that have nothing better to do. So like I said, I do have that guy's IP address, so I'll play with him a little later on with some ethical hacking and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions on this or anything like that, I really want to just get back to making music. But when I sat down and I opened up and I was reading these my YouTube stuff, and I came across this, I was like, what is going on? And then I even told the dude, I'm like, you know, YouTube won't respond to you. Akai won't respond to you. Nobody's going to respond to you in 10-minute intervals or 5-minute intervals. This dude was just like so trying. He's like, this is your last chance. This one's the funny one. He goes, Sorry, your channel cannot be reviewed. Your account password is incorrect. John, the YouTube office employee in the USA, told your YouTube team that he was unable to review your channel. Your channel will close in 24 hours. The YouTube team. So it's, you know, I don't care. But that brings me to the point. I told him, I don't care. Close the channel, man. It doesn't really matter. I got all my videos on backup and everything like that. And that got me to the point of thinking, I'm like, what if YouTube did send out a thing and say, hey, dude, you know, you got a lot of, you know, that high pitch thing? That ain't my mic. That ain't my setup, dude. That's some AC issues out there. And I'm about to turn the AC off. Hopefully it's not driving you guys nuts. It's driving me nuts. But wish I could just rewind and figure out what the heck I was just saying. But I think it's crap, man. I really do. What's going on? So what if YouTube did decide to cancel my channel? What if it was actually them and they said, hey, you know, we understand this and that. I can't do anything but respect that, because this is not my platform. It's not my business. And it got me thinking, you know, because the email scared the hell out of me, man. I was like, you know, how much I put into this just because I like to do it, and interacting with people, man, and all the good stuff and the bad stuff and everything that comes with it, man. It's my life. I love doing this. I'm going to do this for the rest of my life, even if I don't make a penny. But to get a letter like that, dude, is just like, and it looks legit, dude. I mean, for real, it looks legit. It's just like, and the next thing you know, all your hard work's down the drain. But that's the same thing, though. What if YouTube actually, not this hacker idiot, but you know, what if my channel went down, and what, you know, then what? How am I supposed to interact? What would I do? So it got me thinking of maybe making my own website, and I've mentioned it before, and I want to call it Poli Productions. And I'm thinking about using Bandzoogle. They seem like a pretty good place, or Wix. They seem pretty legit. And it's always scary, you know, whenever you invest the money into, you know, whenever you're investing money into stuff like this. But it's something that's coming out every single month. And, you know I have supporters on this channel, but I really need to know is if it's something that you would pay $10 a month, you know, to have me on your phone, to where if you have a problem or if you need something, I can just pick up my phone and call you and walk you through it on call. You know what I'm saying? I've helped out a lot of people on there. If I've helped you out, man, if you can show some support, just leave a like on the video. But yeah, this was a scary thing, and I'm sure it's happened to a lot of people, and they've disregarded it because they've known better. But if like I say, I've gone to school and I've done all that and blah blah blah, and to actually see it happen in front of you like that, man, and just almost lose everything. I told the guy, I even signed in and then changed my password before you could do anything. He got so mad. And then I told him I had his IP address, and he stopped messing with me. But that's all I got, guys. Be careful. Never give up your information. You know, kind of like, don't work for free, and don't, you know, sleep where you, I don't know, man. Just, it was scary, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And it's out there, so if it happens to you, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm here to let you know that it's happening. Right on. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna play some music now and get my day over with.